एक्जाम आइसक्यो अनि पढेको केही याद छैन भने पक्कै तनावमा हुनुहुन्छ होला। डोन्ट वरी, सेभ दिस रिल एन्ड थ्याङ्क मी लेटर। Number 1. Study smart, not everything. Focus on important and repeated questions. Number 2. Revise multiple times. एकचोटिमा त पढ्दा सबै कुरा बिर्सिन्छ। So, revision चाहिँ मजाले गर्नुहोस्, which will help you memorize more. Number 3. Practice writing answers. Use bullet points, headings, keywords, and examples. Number 4. Manage your time properly. This is much important when you appear exam as well. So, while you practice, solve like it's an exam paper with a timer as well. Lastly, stay calm and sleep well. Exam आइसक्यो भन्नुमा रातभर दिनभर रटामाटा मारेर हुँदैन. You also need to take rest and sleep well, which will make your mind fresh and boost your performance. You don't need to study hard, you need to study smart. All the best for your plus 2 exams.